If you enjoyed Part 1, you're certainly in for a treat with Part 2. Join us as we uncover the most incredible skyscrapers around the globe. The stories behind the structures, locations, cultural significance, and societal impact. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed by the wonders of modern architecture. Enhal, Amsterdam, RAI, the Netherlands, 298 feet. This building is a next-level design from the architecture firm OMA, and they outdid themselves. The Enhal Amsterdam RAI is 298 feet tall, so it's a real standout on the skyline. The shape is inspired by ships docked in the canals near the site, but the exterior dazzles. It's covered in a reflective diamond pattern that changes colour depending on its surroundings. Highly Instagrammable. Inside are 650 hotel rooms, conference spaces, a restaurant, a bar, and a rooftop terrace, with city views for days. Concrete, a Milan design firm, created an eclectic space with local Dutch art and lighting. Construction was innovative too, using a continuous pouring technique to pour floors one by one without stopping. They raised a level each week, wrapping the project in 3 years for 160 million. No wonder Enhal Amsterdam RAI is considered Amsterdam's most striking and compelling new structure. It's already won industry awards for design and architecture, including Best Hotel Architecture at the 2021 European Hotel Awards. Taoju Yinwan apartment building in Taipei, Taiwan, 306 feet. The Taoju Yinwan is in Taipei, Taiwan. It is 306 feet, staggering 21 stories above ground, and has 4 basement levels. The architects wanted to design sustainable, environmentally friendly housing for the city, and they delivered. Innovation is what set Taoju Yinwan apart. Apart from aesthetics, the double helix design actually naturally vents hot air and reduces the need for air conditioning. This place is far more than just pretty. It's packed with advanced green technologies to reduce energy use and cut carbon emissions. And with solar panels, a rain collection, and a green roof, this place has a tiny carbon footprint for its size. The design itself is just as impressive. It's inspired by the double helix DNA shape, with 2 twisting towers connected in the middle. Vincent Calabout, the Belgian architect behind it, is also about sustainable design, and he didn't cut any corners and made an ultra-efficient, high-performing building. Building something this complex was a challenging feat though, and they had to develop unique construction methods and materials just to achieve this shape, and sustainability was a priority at every step, from choosing eco-friendly materials to improving insulation and ventilation. The project started in 2013 and wrapped in 2017. It took 4 years and 84 million to complete. Mira Tower in San Francisco, California, 425 feet. The Mira Tower is San Fran's latest architectural gem, and its design is a visual feast. The 40-story building, at 425 feet, is the latest landmark in San Francisco, and Studio Gang, the Chicago firm behind it, did not disappoint. This tower has an imposing twisted shape that grabs your attention, complete with floor plans that let residents take in views from every angle. The engineering is just as impressive, and the construction crew used reinforced concrete and steel to form this shape, which is also infused with earthquake-resisting capabilities. These materials brought to life the artistic vision. This place is a testament to innovative design, sustainable features, rainwater harvesting, energy-efficient lighting, and open floor plans, making it eco-friendly. The Mira Tower is gorgeous and greener than most skyscrapers. Of course, engineering a unique structure of this size presented some serious challenges. The twisting shape required specialized equipment and techniques, and those triangular floor plans were challenging to mold. But the results speak for themselves. This skyscraper is a sight to behold. Check it out if you're ever exploring the city. Lighthouse 2.0, Aarhus, Denmark, 466 feet. Did you know that the Aarhus Harbour in Denmark used to be a container port area on the city's east side? This district, known as Aarhus Zero, has become a hub of innovative and eco-friendly design, with a mix of residential, commercial, and cultural functions. One of the most prominent buildings in this area is Lighthouse 2.0. This iconic building sits at the tip of the Aarhus Island, where the city meets the sea, offering spectacular views. The tower rises to a height of 466 feet, and it's Denmark's tallest building, offering residents and visitors a first-class view of the surrounding landscape. This lighthouse is a true masterpiece of architecture and engineering. Designed by renowned architects 3XN, this 44-story high building is an iconic landmark on the city's skyline. The tower consists of more than 400 luxurious apartments, each offering stunning views of the surrounding area. But wait, that's not all. There's a cafe, a restaurant, observation deck, and even a sky bar. This building is the epitome of modern urban living, with all the facilities and services you need at your fingertips. However, erecting such massive structures on a shoreline will always be challenging. The land is made of clay, of high plasticity, strong sea winds, and the complex logistics required to build the skyscraper. Arslef Ground Engineering reviewed various foundation solutions and proposed that the building could be built on deep-drilled piles. This foundation technique allows the structural load to be transferred to the subsoil, which has a deeper load-bearing soil layer to prevent the long-term sinking of the building. Ramboll's global high-rise division used detailed numerical finite element modeling of the local ground conditions and proposed additional 4 floors to give the tower a wider footprint. And, to the delight of Norcap, the development group, the team successfully unlocked the scheme. The project was completed in 2022, and the apartments are now ready for residents. Lighthouse is a true architectural landmark and a source of pride for Aarhus and Denmark. It showcases the city's commitment to innovative and sustainable design and offers a glimpse into the future of urban living. Oasia Hotel, downtown, Singapore, 634 feet. The Oasia Hotel downtown is a 27-story jungle oasis in the city's heart, designed by Woha, an architecture firm known for sustainable builds. This building features 634 feet of 21 plant species and 33 tree species covering its facade. Like urban greenery on display, the engineering and construction involved innovative, eco-friendly tech in achieving the look and sustainability. Using a red aluminium mesh facade for natural ventilation, shading from sunlight, and reducing noise. Noteworthy features include a sky garden 27 floors up, with panoramic city views and a rooftop infinity pool. It's designed for maximum light, airflow, and central void circulation. The landscaping is genuinely seamlessly integrated into the design. Building eco-design on this scale would have certainly brought challenges, but over 2 years and $200 million later, the results are stunning. The Oasia Hotel downtown is redefining green hotels and pushing sustainable architecture further. The Katara Towers in Lusail, Qatar, 692.3 feet. The Katara Towers are undoubtedly next level, representing luxury, sustainability, and Qatari culture better than any other building. The Katara Towers were designed by Arata Isozaki and engineers at Arup, and they mimic sail shapes to honor Qatar's seafaring history. The design also incorporates Islamic elements for an artistic touch. There are 2 towers here, 36 and 52 floors tall respectively, housing a luxe hotel, apartments, offices, and killer amenities like an infinity pool, spa, restaurants, and cafes. Construction required site excavation and tackling high winds in the area. To minimize impact, the team used leading tech like wind tunnel testing to ensure stability and eco-features like geothermal cooling. The $1.6 billion project wrapped in 2022, perfectly timed for Qatar's World Cup, and the results speak for themselves. The Katara Towers are already an iconic Qatar landmark, demonstrating the country's commitment to luxury, green design, and heritage. 56 Leonard, Jenga Building, New York, USA, 821 feet. Have you heard of the Jenga Building in Tribeca, Manhattan? Yeah, it's a sight to behold. Officially known as 56 Leonard Street, this 57-story skyscraper stands tall at 821 feet. It's like a giant game of Jenga, with each floor stacked precariously on the other. But don't worry, it's structurally safe and has become tourists' favorite when sightseeing the iconic New York City skyline. 56 Leonard has a cantilevered design, meaning that part of the structure hangs out without any visible support, giving it a unique, eye-catching appearance. The developers wanted to create a unique landmark in an area that was gentrifying fast, and mission accomplished. The engineering to achieve these cantilevered floors was no easy feat, though carefully crafted to ensure stability during high winds or earthquakes. The result is stunning. The exterior is made with a custom steel frame from Italy and a unique glass curtain wall wrapping it all up. Construction started in 2007 and finished in 2016, 9 years at a total cost of $1.5 billion. Of course, building a skyscraper of this scale always presents challenges, from zoning issues to opposition, but the vision was clearly well realised. Australia 108 in Melbourne, Australia, 1,273 feet. Australia 108, the nation's newest skyscraper, has reached its official peak and is now one of Melbourne's tallest residential skyscrapers at 1,273 feet. Australia 108 is not just the tallest residential tower in the Southern Hemisphere, it's also known for its striking design and innovative engineering. This place has stunning views of the whole city, with triangular balconies overlooking everything. With this calm gold exterior, the Australian flag inspires the design itself. The building structure is where real innovation comes in. It has a tuned mass damper system that stabilizes the tower during high winds or earthquakes. Building something this massive in a busy city also presents some serious challenges for the construction team. They worked in a tight urban space with little room for error. At an estimated cost of nearly $1 billion, construction started in 2015 and wrapped in 2020. It was a long and complex project, but the results speak for themselves. Sustainability was the priority, with features like rainwater harvesting, energy-efficient lighting, and ventilation. The developers have it all in one building: beauty and eco-friendliness. Which of these designs do you love the most? Tell us in the comments.